Hello, today I'm in Kia Carens. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. This panel allows us to manage radio. For example, we can change radio source between AM, FM, change radio volume, change radio station, or mute, unmute radio. Next, we've got this panel, thanks to which we can enable voice control, answer the call, decline the call, and that's it. On the right panel, we've got buttons for cruise control, speed limiter, and we can manage it by pressing these buttons. And then we've got this panel, thanks to which we can change steering mode and navigate through speedometer display. Also, if you press here, you'll use horn. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.